Would you like to make $5,000 plus in passive income by posting LoFi Beats videos on YouTube?
Seriously?
You must think it is impossible. Although it seems hard to believe, LoFi videos are very simple to make. And if you are consistent and create good tracks, you can easily earn that amount of money. When I take a look at these LoFi channels and how they are getting around 1 million views every day, it raises the question, why can't I do it too? So today I will take you through the whole process of how to create a LoFi video, so stick around. The first step in making these videos is figuring out how to get them into the YouTube algorithm. Because your channel or video will be new, you may not have many subscribers. So your best bet is to ensure your video has the best SEO optimization, meaning that it shows up first if someone were to search for a title similar to your video. For this, you should do a complete tag analysis. In the case of YouTube, your title and the words in your description are going to play an important role in ensuring whether your video makes it to the front pages or not. So use good keywords and titles, but how do you know which ones to use?
I don't know.
For this, you are going to head out to the famous LoFi channels. Look up their most popular videos and see what kind of titles they use and what kind of descriptions they have.
That's pretty good.
Shortlist video ideas through those famous videos, and you'll have an idea of what type of videos are going to get you the most views. If these videos are already so popular, chances are there are a lot of people willing to watch them, so yours is going to do just as well. It means you have found a video on demand. Another way to find good ideas for your video is to use the YouTube search bar. Just type in something like LoFi, and it is going to show you a number of options. What those options mean is that they are the most searched for by people in the world, meaning they are what people are looking for. You can select whichever you think is going to do well. Now, for example, we have selected the keyword, LoFi Beats to chill to. This is the keyword that we are going to be targeting in our title as well as in our YouTube description because it is in demand. As we are done with our video title and description, the next step is to figure out how to actually create the videos. It is quite easy and simple.
Sit down, watch and learn.
I'm going to teach you how to use the DaVinci Resolve software, which is completely free. But before we get into the complete creation, we are going to need 3 things: our audio track, our image, and our animation. We are going to create the visual component of the video first. Let's take a look at this video. It has nothing really fancy or anything. The video is long and plays the same thing over and over again with the guy smoking. We can make something similar but unique because YouTube has strict copyright policies, so just don't copy anyone but instead make an original visual representation. For the image creation, we are going to use Midjourney, which is yet another free software. Just search it up on Google and click the first link. It's going to take you to Discord because it works through that. So if you already don't have a Discord account, create one and then join Midjourney. You will have to join one of the channels on the left for newbies. After that, you can check out some of the amazing pictures created by the artificial intelligence. To create your own image, just type /imagine. And then it is going to ask you what type of imagine do you want. Let's say I type /imagine a kid is sitting in his room looking at the window and it's raining outside. And the artificial intelligence is going to create some very cool images, and you can select from whichever one you like. You also have the option to select a single image and upscale it. You can also create variations. Let's get the full scale of this imagine and open the original link of it. This is completely original, and there will be no copyright issues. Now we are going to go forward and create the music. We are going to use a program called Aiva. The free plan, however, does not allow you to monetize your videos on YouTube, so once you are familiar with the program, you will have to buy the subscription, which will come around €11 per month, which is quite affordable. Aiva is going to create the music of your choice for you based on your instructions. It's going to be completely copyright free, so just sign up to the website and go to Create Track. And the easiest way to create your music is to simply go to Preset Styles. After this, click on Hip Hop and then leave the song with the melody option on. Next, you can change the key signature for whatever style you are going for. In instrumentation, change it to LoFi since we are creating a LoFi hip hop. You can also do the longest duration, like up to 3 minutes. For the number of compositions, you can do 5. This is because you can include more than one track in your video, and you can choose which one you like. That's it. This is how easily you can create copyright-free music. You can check out your compositions and see whichever one you like the most and whichever sounds the most sick. Let's take a look at them. However, if you're not satisfied with any of the music, you can always make new ones. Just find what you like best and what people would want to hear. For the purpose of our video, let's download one of the tracks. You can also edit your tracks if you are familiar with audio editing, so you can always optimize them to your liking. Now open DaVinci Resolve and there will be a lot of options down below. Click on Edit and you are going to drop your clips into the program. Simply drop the music and the image that you created into this section. Now you can drag the music here and then drag the image as well to overlap it with your music so it runs throughout. There are also multiple other functions available that you can use to alter your image from here. Now we need to animate our video so that it looks amazing. You may think it is hard, but it really is not difficult at all. Go to pexels.com on Google. Here you can find a number of videos that are completely copyright-free. Simply download the one you believe you will enjoy the most. For our own video, we are going to use a rainy one because our image shows it is raining. Let's download one, and as you can see, it says there are no copyright issues. Now go back to DaVinci Resolve, and just above our image, we are going to add the animation. Just be careful, it should not replace our audio. To do that, deselect A1 and V1, then right-click on our audio and add new track. Then we can add our animation to that specific track. But to have them both play together, go to Inspector tool. Click the rain animation and we can transform our clip. We can make it according to the size of where we want to place it, and in composition, click screen, so it is transparent. Now place it wherever you like and boom, your image has been animated. Play around with different animations and images and you'll quickly gain experience and be able to create amazing animated images. You should also add a text in one of the corners of your image showing that it is an original image created by you. This way, you will always be protected from copyright. To create a long video, you will just have to copy and paste the same animated file so it goes throughout the video. Alright guys, let's recap what we have learned. You have learned that creating LoFi music is an amazing way to earn money. It may not become your main career, but it can be a great side hustle. I have also shown you that it is really simple to do and anyone can learn it by putting in a little bit of dedication. We have also learned how to use keywords and find videos that are in demand. Furthermore, you have learned to create your own copyright-free image in the mid-journey, then how you are going to use pexels.com to find animated videos. To get your music, you can just go to Aiva and download whichever suits you. All of this will be added to DaVinci Resolve, which is the bread and butter of your LoFi videos. When you have added all the files and created an amazing animation, you will have a LoFi video that can start earning you money straight away. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if this video helped you. And make sure to watch this video too if you want to learn how to make $4,455 using TikTok for free.